We're celebrating the members of the California Trucking Association that have become Trucking Proud clients. And we're just having a great time off the coast of California today.
It's been an exceptional day. We've caught a fair amount of fish today, but the simple fact that we're all here enjoying ourselves, trucking proud, CTA, you cannot do any better. I mean, camaraderie, this is where it's built.
Thanks again to Jamie and team for not only hosting what they do here for us, the hospitality and their thank you, but our thank you to them for just the outstanding service they provide to our company and to all of the CTA membership and the trucking industry in general.
Awesome trip. Good times. Thank you guys.